So we're going through 9F.1 today. We're talking about confidence intervals for proportions. So just remember how we had confidence intervals for sample means, right? And that was a declaration of the true mean of a population lying between some interval. So here we're going to do the same for a proportion, right? Yesterday we looked at proportions and we understand what they are. It's a section of a population that has some quality or some property. And we remember p hat is the proportion of the sample. We suppose that that is indicative of the true proportion, just as x bar is the sample mean, is indicative of the true population mean. So this is the confidence interval formula. Okay, this is for a 95% confidence interval. I know 95% because of the 1.96. So we can have other levels of confidence by altering that number. But again, we're just going to jump straight into putting it in the calculator today. So it says, continuing with the above example, we've got a sample of 100 students, we're at the top. We've got given us 100 students, 55 play fortnight, find the sample proportion. So find p hat. P hat is going to be 55 on 100, that is 0.55. Okay, so that's the answer to part A. Part B, construct the 95% confidence interval. So if we were to do it manually, we're going to be putting 0.55 everywhere there's a p hat. And we're going to put n is 100 everywhere there's an n. Okay? And we could process that and find the lower and the upper. Here's the instructions for your calculator. We're in statistics mode. Interval z first proportion. Okay, so not a sample, it's a proportion. And the information we're going to input, we have a confidence level of 95. We have 55 people playing fortnight out of 100. Okay, let's construct the confidence interval. All right, and we've got the answer here, 0.452 to 0.648. Okay. Part C, interpret your answer. So the true value of P, we are 95% confident, right, based off 95% confidence interval, that the true value of P lies in this region. So it could be as low as 45% of students play fortnight, but it could be as high as 64.8%. But it lies somewhere in there. True proportion of students Cool. So 9F.